Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making mithai milkshakes with laddu and gulab jamun. It all started with the leftover laddu in the fridge. Ever since I have been hooked onto them and so will you. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting, easy, tried and tested recipes. To make the shake, we require full fat milk, some condensed milk or some vanilla ice cream, whatever you want. The vanilla ice cream will make your shakes a bit richer, whereas the condensed milk will make for a lighter shake. To flavor the shakes, I'll use a combination of saffron and motichur laddu. The saffron is soaking in some warm milk. For the second one, I'm using a combination of gulab jamun and some kevda water. You could use rose water instead. For the first one, add in about a glass of chilled milk and a scoop of the vanilla ice cream, one motichur laddu, just crush it and add it into the milk, and some of the saffron milk. Give it a whisk. That looks nice and foamy on top. I'll put it in the fridge while I make the other one. For the second one, add in a glass of milk, scoop of ice cream, essence of kevda. That's a strong essence, so you just need a drop or two. If you're using rose water, you could use more. And a gulab jamun that I will just crush. So I'm just using the sweet and the ice cream as sweetener. If you want your shake to be sweeter, you could add sugar. Time to blend it. Here's my other jar. Gulab jamun shake and motichur laddu shake. So for the gulab jamun shake, just take a straw. I have a baby gulab jamun here and I'll just carefully put the straw right through it. I have some mouth freshener or saunf which I will just sprinkle. How pretty is that? For the other one, add some crushed laddu on top. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. And a few strands of saffron. Put in a straw. And that's ready to serve. Serve the milkshakes absolutely chilled as a drink or as a dessert. Add more ice cream or mithai to make thicker shakes. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.